It's officially fall season now. This October, the CICD is holding a handful of other events for students to learn, explore, and prepare for a future career. Travelers Insurance is hosting a resume review session before one of our upcoming career fairs. Come have your resume reviewed by a Travelers recruiter in advance. This event is on Friday, October 8th from 1 to 3 p.m. To register, go to our website and log into ECN. From there, click on Events and Workshops and click on the event Learn About the Travelers Company, Inc., and then click on Attend. A Zoom link will be sent out on October 7th. If you missed the virtual workshop about internships and co-ops last month, we're holding another one. This workshop will help you understand the internship process, the value of completing an internship, and the difference between an internship and a co-op experience. If any of that seems confusing or complicated, this event is for you. Join us on Wednesday, October 13th at 3 p.m. Register for this event on ECN. Also on October 13th, from 1 to 4 p.m., attend our first virtual career and internship fair. This fair features employment opportunities for business, communication, media, art, and education, but it is open to all students of any major. There are over 25 companies and businesses to speak to, and more to come as the event gets closer. To attend, go to our website and scroll down to upcoming events. Then click on the text that says Register Here. It will bring you to Career Fair Plus, where you can then click on the event fair. You can click on each company to see an overview, majors recruited, positions available, and more. On the day, be ready to browse the site and talk to recruiters. We're holding a second virtual career and internship fair later in the month for other majors. For STEM, health sciences, human services, government, and law, attend this fair on Wednesday, October 27th from 1 to 4 p.m., also through Career Fair Plus. That's all for our October 2021 events. Follow us on social media to keep up to date with CICD events and announcements.